Evasion, your eco-friendly traveling companion. Evasion, the world's first multifunctional power bank lighter born for travelers. The company have been collaborating with a strong team of engineers, designers, and craftsmen for 2 years. With MySense Z, the promise is to bring to life the latest innovative high-tech masterpieces with carefully selected eco-responsible materials, handcrafted with the French know-how, useful, innovative, and valuable. Evazines is tiny and less energy consuming. A revolutionary travel high tech accessory designed and crafted in Paris by the finest craftsmen decorated by the Enterprises du Patrimoine Vivant label. The experts have spent countless hours working with the best engineers, designers, and craftsmen to develop innovative features. To ensure superior quality standards, the company has partnered with the world's first leading manufacturers and used only high quality technology components. It will help you whenever you need to light up anything, from precious candles to Havana cigars or Asian incense. No matter what the weather is, it will never let you down. The windproof electric lighter is removable and transportable by plane. It has 6800 mAh built-in power bank fully charges a smartphone on the go in less than 3 hours. A high flying performance for a nomadic accessory, compatible with fast chargers if you arrive late at night in poorly lit city or went hiking in the mountains and did not realize that the night was falling. Evazone is here for you. Its LED torch lights allows you to be lighten up anytime and find more easily your way in the dark. With its fake money detector, you'll no longer be able to stress about being ripped off. It's built to last. Flame Buddy, the lighter windshield. The world's first 360-degree lighter windshield allows you to use your standard BIC lighter in windy conditions. Have you ever had trouble using your lighter in windy conditions? Such as the beach, out camping, riding in the car, at a concert, on a ski lift, or simply outside on a windy day. The Flame Buddy will save you much time and frustration. The days of trying to shield the wind with your hands or getting your buddies to handle around you are over. Not only does the Flame Buddy block the wind, but it is an awesome concert accessory. It will come in a variety of colors and illuminate in the dark much like a glow stick. With thousands of people in the crowd, imagine all the beautiful colors. Eventually, the company will have the ability to customize each flame buddy with its own unique pattern or image to be illuminated. That will be an amazing sight at a concert or a music festival. The flame buddy snaps onto a standard BIC lighter using the pre-existing indications found on the sides of every BIC. Easily removes by pushing the back of the clip with your thumb. After many different prototypes and countless hours testing the invention, the company has designed a functional model. The Flame Buddy was designed with a 360-degree tube that has two opposing vents facing in opposite directions. The company designed the vents with a few things in mind. Not only do they allow just enough wind inside the tube for combustion, but the wind enters the tube in such a way that it does not extinguish the flame. The vents are designed in such a way that it creates a vortex. The standard BIC light goes out in the windy speed ranging from 1 to 2 miles per hour. However, when used the Flame Buddy, they have been able to use the lighter in the wind speeds exceeding 10 miles per hour, making the product over 500% more effective. Flamer, windproof, rechargeable, gas-free lighter. Flamer is the ultimate windproof rechargeable gas-free lighter that fits perfectly for daily use. No more refilling gas, no more disposable lighters, no more hurting your nails, no more burning your thumb. This company still uses lighters for different purposes: cigarettes, incenses, candles, campfire, until you realize how many different types of lighters are sitting inside your drawer, how many disposable lighters you've thrown away, how many times you have refilled the gas. Flamer has a rechargeable 400 mAh battery built in that can light up to 20 to 40 times, so you can enjoy using Flamer without worries. Flamer's outer shell is made of real rosewood and it's very hard and strong with an attractive wood grain. You may also polish Flamer to get high sheen if desired. Now that the company has finished the development process, they are ready to begin production immediately. The most trusted manufacturing partner's production line will start as soon as the campaign is closed. The experts are expecting all backers will get shipment within 60 days from the closing of the campaign, and of course, the early backers receiving theirs first. Flamer is a fairly simple product and it is already in pilot production. The experts are definitely confident that the production line will run smoothly and the campaign closes. They are committed to meet the expectations without any delay in the production and delivery. Zyre, the eco-friendly dual plasma beam lighter. Zyre is eco-friendly, flameless, windproof, and uses no butane or other fuels. It is one of the world's most advanced lighters ever made. With the dual plasma beam technology in a cross pattern and with a classic and timeless design, the company thinks that they have created a winner. The lighter is made of 0.8 mm thick recycled zinc alloy, endorsed in 5 different colors. The anodizing gives the lighter an extremely durable and scratch-free surface. The cross pattern of the plasma beams creates an incredibly intense point of energy which makes the lighter multiple times more efficient than regular lighters, minimizing the waste of energy. It instantly lights up anything an ordinary lighter does, such as paper, candles, cigarettes, and cigars. It's literally impossible to blow out and works when wet. Zyre meets all the conditions required for both the ROHS, CE, and FCC certifications. That means it is safe to use and are allowed to be sold, including the US and Europe. Products that need to but do not hold this label but are yet being sold in the US and Europe is illegal and can be dangerous to use. Over 90% of the Chinese factories do not have these certifications to their products at all. That's worth having in mind before buying similar products on cheap websites. A fully charged Zyre can light up as many as 550 candles and the battery can be recharged more than 500 times. It's charged by a USB cable plugged into a laptop, power bank, car, smartphone charged, or anything else with a USB connector. The USB cable is included in the box. Mallorca Retro Style Lighter. Mankind discovered fire in ancient times and has since rewritten human history. This is one of the best inventions in human history. Mallorca also emphasizes on innovative spirits condensing human wisdom in the lighter. The lighter is inlaid with the sun god Totem, coin issued by Argentina in 90s, which not only gives the lighter a taste of history, but also looks like the flame comes from the mana of sun god. Each lighter is unique and records the traces. Each lighter is unique and records the traces of the changes of the time. The appearance of the hand-woven Italy imported cowhide leather under the envelope of flame, as if in the last century, which adds a bit of classic flavor to the modern life. This nostalgic style lighter can not only emit flames but also illuminates the hope in people's heart, which has high aesthetic value and is worthy for collection purpose. Lighters became popular in the last century. At that time, lighters needed to be refueled manually, and the price was relatively expensive. However, replaced by the portable lighters on modern time, there was that no aesthetics at all and it has a short life cycle, which is obviously a drawback for those who pursue high quality lifestyle. Therefore, the experts designed the Mallorca lighter, which has a mechanical and retro industrial aesthetics in design, upper class and sophisticated look. All the Mallorca lighter are made of multi-color vegetable tan cowhide imported from Italy. The cowhide leather are elegant with luxurious texture and is comfortable to hold. Also, the cross stitching of the leather is woven by hand, with the double thread treatment make the leather firmer.